Welcome back everyone. If you could please like and subscribe, I would really appreciate it. So in this week's video, I'm going to break down this photo of Stanislav. So first off, we're going to start off today by talking about the main light, which in this case was modified by an Elinchrom Litemotiv 120. This is a 16-sided softbox. I can never remember what this is called. I always have to put it in text on the bottom of the screen, which I'm sure it's going to be there right now. And so there, that's what that's called. So anyway, that's what the main modifier is. I found in a previous test that these deep multiple-sided modifiers are a little more directional than shallow softboxes. However, I wanted to further that directionality by flagging it off. So you'll see that there's a V-flat here with the black side out, sort of channeling where that light can go. And similarly, I used a homemade Cucoloris. That's this black card here with holes in it. Essentially, a Cucoloris is normally made to, you can shine a hard light through it and that'll put a marbled pattern on a background or on your subject. But the way that I'm using it here is just sort of to reduce the transmission of the light to darken down the lower part of the frame. So that's going to keep Stan darker from, here down, and also it's going to darken down the floor. And as I've said before, I always find it better to do this sort of dodging and burning, if you will, in the real world on set than doing it in post, because as I found before, when you do things like this in post, they just don't look as good as if you did it in person. So that's the main reason why these modifiers are here, essentially acting as flags. But before we move on, I just wanted to say that if you enjoy learning from me in these videos, I'm sure that you would love learning from me in person. And soon I'll be teaching lighting workshops in Chicago, Dallas, Denver, and Orlando. So for more information, just go to johngress.com/workshops. Then over Stan's left shoulder, I have a Mole Richardson 407. Now this is a movie light that is normally 1000 watts, but unfortunately the person who sold it to the person whom I bought it from on eBay turned it into a lamp. So it has a regular light bulb in there. And so it's not very bright, but it does make for nice set dressing. In order to make it look like that light is brighter, I've added an Elinchrom indirect strip softbox back there. Now, indirect just means that the light is pointed away from the subject, and then when it bounces around the softbox, it comes out in a very even beam. And using a softbox in this situation just sort of paints an edge light onto your subject rather than blasting it on to them. So normally when I'm using an accent light like this, I've got it turned down 2 stops darker than the subject's face. And that's because I just want some subtle separation. I don't want the light to scream, "Hello, I'm here." Anyway, I hope that all made sense. If you have any questions or comments, just leave those below. And as always, stay safe, have a great day, call your mom, and I'll talk to you soon.